The question is this: if I get locked out of my Google account for some reason or another, how long do I have before Google is going to delete my account and all of my data? I'm going to give you the answer in this conversation, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all this content for you. Google accounts. You got to manage your Google account as well as you manage your financial accounts or better. And what I mean by that is do not get your Google account in a situation where you can't get back into it. Manage your Google account. Turn on two-step authentication. Have a backup email address. Save the backup, the login codes in case you can't get the authenticator. Have a phone number associated with your account and never lose that phone. If you change phones, take your phone number with you so that you can always get into your Google account. This is painful. I get it. I get these questions every week. So if you can't get into your account, you've got to try everything you can try to be able to figure out how to get into it, or you're just going to lose the account. And now what I mean by lose the account, Google states very clearly that if everything you do, if your email, Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheets, and all that stuff, or Google Photos, if you're inactive in 2 years, all of your content may be removed from those products. Now, it goes on to say that if you're inactive in Google Photos, then you may lose your Google Photos without losing your Gmail and Google Drive, as long as you're active in those. Why they differentiate the two, I don't know, but they do. So to answer the question, if you cannot get into your Google account, you've got to find, especially if it's a primary account and important to you and you use it in lots of different places, you're going to have to figure out a way to get into it. And I'm sorry this is happening to you. A lot of people run into this with 1.5 billion Gmail users who have Google accounts. It's problematic. So if you can't get into it within 2 years, it is subject of being removed. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I wish you luck getting back into your account.